Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our new tutorial. This tutorial is very useful for beginners. So guys, let's start. First create a polygon with 12 corner. Open the fill and stroke dialog box. And resize the stroke. Now create a small rectangle. Change the color and remove the stroke. Now go to path and convert it to path. Now enable the snap tool. Now drag the nodes by edit node tool. Now snap this node. Press Ctrl plus T for duplicate it. Duplicate it. Or you can duplicate from this option, and after duplicating flip this object. Change the color. Now select this object, go to object and click raise to top. Now select this one and duplicate it. Hold down Ctrl key and rotate it. Now snap this object like this. Before snapping we have to flip it. Snap like this and change the color. Now select the green one and duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus T for duplicate it, or you can duplicate like this and select only these two objects. Go to path and click on difference. So guys, we have created our basic shape. Now select this object and duplicate it. Hold down Ctrl key and rotate it. And snap this object like this. Now select this one and duplicate it, and select this object with this object and go to path and click on difference. Now select this object, duplicate it and select with this object, go to path and click on difference. Again repeat the command. Select this one and duplicate it, select with this object, go to path and click on difference. Select this polygon object and you can delete it. So guys, we have created our all design, and you can choose your own color combination to color it. Select this object one by one and choose the color according to your need. or according to your choice. Change the color. You can change tone of color from here. I know you can make better than me. So guys, keep watching my tutorial, and thanks for your support, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.